Let's take a look at Chapter 6, dealing with messages for the digital channels. And the essential question that I picked is, how are these channels different from the traditional communication we've been examining so far, particularly business writing and the creation of business slides? Well, here in my mind is that it's communication, yes, but now it's digital communication in marketing. But that's still business communication. Of course, social media is conversational. But what we've been looking at is that business slides and business writing are very formal. I've given you tips on slides concerning color, dark on light, light on dark, for example, or the avoidance of contractions in business writing. But contractions are conversational. Of course, social media is informal, but not careless. You don't want to look sloppy in social media. Social media, like slides, need a good headline for the title of the slide. Or social media, like a newspaper, it needs a good headline. And your email subject line is the equivalent of a headline. And as we've looked at, email subject lines are precise so that the reader knows exactly what the message is about. Social media needs to be new and fresh. And so the main question a business has to ask is, does it have the resources to keep it fresh? Resources in the people to do the work and the digital tools to keep it up and the time to keep it up. Social media demands transparency, but business writing demands transparency too. We've looked at how you tell them what you're going to tell them, and tell them what you told them, so that everybody understands the message. Now, here's a difference. In professional business writing of slides and reports and memos and email, you don't always have to consider all mobile devices. If you're like me, you have your email on your phone or your laptop, and you either figured out how to set that up or, like me, have gone over to the IT folks to do it for me. But marketing has to consider all social media because everybody uses a different type. And it's user-generated content, which is different than business writing. Here it is. You're asking the users to provide you ideas, and you use that in your company Facebook page or your Twitter feed or your company blog. So, we've looked at the essential questions, and it was, how are digital channels different? This short video has highlighted some differences and some similarities. I hope this has helped.